mankind faces a large number of challenges to preserve the Earth's natural systems, and this is particularly relevant for the oceans. So the oceans have been the forgotten part of the Earth systems for many years, but now we are increasingly realizing that human activities have had a tremendous impact also on marine ecosystems. Actually, climate change, the global warming, includes the warming of the seawaters, and this affects all ecosystems in the planet, especially the shallowest ones in the sea. Therefore, it's absolutely mandatory that we understand better which are the effects of climate change and other stressors, and also that we find the ways to preserve these natural values for the future of the humanity and the planet as a whole.